seek encouragement and guidance at every juncture. Shubham karoti kalyanam, arogyam dhana sampada, shatru buddhi vinashaya, deepajyoti namostute.
Let us commence the traditional and auspicious lamp lighting ceremony, a tribute to the Divine Presence. May I now invite the chief guest, Mr. S.R. Vishwanath and Mr. Muhammad Rafi Pasha to step forward for the lamp lighting ceremony. Thank you. With humility, we pray for wisdom and guidance to create a harmonious world, to live in unity with nature and all forms of life. May truth prevail, and may the light of knowledge dispel the darkness of ignorance.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु।
A leader takes people where they want to go. A great leader takes people where they ought to be. I would like to invite our principal, Mrs. Madhusmita Patra, to present the school report. This report highlights the achievements, initiatives, and milestones reached during the years gone by. Please welcome her to the stage.
Thank you, children. Good evening, all. Good evening, all. Honorable Mr. S.R. Vishwanath, MLA, Yelahanka constituency. Respected Mr. Mohammad Rafi Pasha, IAS, Deputy Commissioner, Commercial Taxes Office. President Dr. Geeta Shashikumar, Director Dr. Shashikumar, Ms. Anuradha, esteemed guests, beloved parents and grandparents, committed teachers, and my very dear students. I take this opportunity to convey my heartfelt greetings to you all and welcome you to National Public School Singnaikanhalli Annual Day Parivartan 2. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you today to present the annual report of National Public School Singnaikanhalli. This report showcases the achievement and progress of our institution and reflects the collective efforts of our staff, students, and parents. Academic excellence is not about perfection, but the persistent pursuit of knowledge, the courage to overcome challenges, and passion to turn dreams into achievements. I repeat, it is the passion to turn dream into achievements. For consecutive 2 years, our students of grade 10 and 12 have excelled in board examination with 100% results. 94 students qualified for state level and 24 for national level of WIS National Spell Bee competition. In that, Ridhima Hemant Kabul, Drishti Mahala, and Kishan BP have been consistent performers. Young scholars of our school have done really well in Olympiads, and I'm just calling out the numbers, those who qualified the second level and those who have got gold medal of excellence. So in GK, it is 7, English 10, Science 13, and Mathematics 17. This is the performance in Olympiad. We have Anika Pathak of grade 8 with 195 rank in Talent-X All India level examination. I know your hands will be tired applauding today, so be prepared for this evening. Dheeraj R has secured first position talent search examination in Karnataka. I'm very sure every year our parameters of excellence will be redefined for greater achievements. It is indeed very satisfying to see the growth of the institution under able guidance of Dr. K.P. Gopalakrishna, Founder Chairman, National Public School Group of Institutions. This year marks a significant milestone as we have started with Commerce Stream and a comprehensive training program for grades 11 and 12 designed to orient them for competitive exams. The same has been extended to mid-school also. Special curricular programs such as language enhancement module, improvement in logical and computational skills have been specifically designed to improve the learning and comprehending abilities of our students. With state-of-art infrastructure, well-equipped laboratories, a library enriched with knowledge resources, and modern technology integrated into our classrooms, we are proud to provide best learning experience for our students. Beyond academics, students have got accolades in inter-school events also. For consecutive 2 years, we have won first prize in mathematics related events in Goonj organized by National Public School, Yashwantpur. Also, first prizes in science related activities like science walk in the same competition. Students participated in Drishti organized by National Public School, Yelahanka, and we won second prize for both model making science and video making competitions. Our basketball team for both girls and boys qualified the semi-finals in dunk and dribble organized by National Public School, Kalkeri. Other than this, there are list of individual achievers in sports worth mentioning who have won medals at various levels. Badminton, Vasavi grade 10, Vagdev grade 6 for badminton, Aditi Singh swimming, Taekwondo Mohammad Hussain Abbas of grade 7, Bhavna C grade 8, Priyanka R Yeri grade 9, Karate Chirant P grade 10, Sai Likhit grade 7, Yoga it's Tasvika from grade 6, Performing Arts, Violin it's Ashwin S from grade 7, Ankita S in grade 10 for Bharatnatyam. That was the list. I have shortened and called out these names so that I don't keep you away from the evening which you are waiting so eagerly. I think these students deserve a huge round of applause. Field trips offered an excellent bridge between the work of the school and work of the world outside. School organized educational trips to places like post office, village market, National Institute of Disaster Management and fire station, fun trips to resorts and outstation trip to Udupi and Mangalore were also a part of this program. Our unwavering commitment to have all-rounded student has garnered immense trust and respect from the community. The demand for admission has been overwhelming. Whenever you find something extraordinary, you will find the fingerprints of a great teacher. This year, 3 of our senior teachers were head examiners for CBSE board examination. All our faculty members have undergone compulsory training and capacity building programs organized by the CBSE board. Their commitment to nurturing young minds is commendable. I extend my heartfelt thanks to President and Director of the school for their unwavering support. My sincere appreciation to our parent community for being an integral part of our school family and also for the encouragement, active participation you have shown in the school events. A huge round of applause for yourself. Together, we have made a place where learning thrives and dreams take flight. Reach out, reach high, reach beyond. Here, wishing all the parents a very fun-filled evening ahead. I request you, I repeat, I request you to clap, applaud, and cheer for my students very, very generously. There is nothing which feels better than a big round of applause after a performance. Many of the students are facing such a huge audience for the first time. Kindly encourage, request you all, this is a humble request you all to witness the entire program. Wishing you loads of luck. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am. Leaders instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower people to accomplish their goals. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. This quote is synonymous to our school visionary president, Dr. Geeta Shashikumar. I request ma'am to address the gathering. Please welcome her with a round of applause.
Thank you, children. Good evening, everyone. It's an absolute honor and joy to welcome all of you to Parivartan 2, our annual day celebration at National Public School, Singnaiknalli. This evening is a celebration of transformation, progress, and the vibrant spirit of our school community. A special and heartfelt welcome to our distinguished chief guest, Mr. S.R. Vishwanath sir, MLA, Yelahanka constituency, former BDA chairman, and former member of TTD, and Mohammad Rafi Pasha sir, Deputy Commissioner, Department of Commercial Taxes, and Dr. Shashikumar, Principal and Senior Academic Head. And our dedicated teachers, ever supportive parents, and of course, my brilliant and enthusiastic students, you are the soul of this institution. And tonight, we celebrate all of you. I would also like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to our parents. Your unwavering support, trust, and encouragement have been instrumental in our students' growth and success. We are grateful for the partnership we share with you and appreciate the time and effort you invest in your children's education. Thank you for being an integral part of a school community. The word Parivartan, meaning transformation, perfectly captures the essence of what we strive at National Public School, Singnaiknalli. Education is about much more than just books and exams. It's about opening minds, expanding horizons, and preparing our children to navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world. As Dr. K.P. Gopal Krishna sir, the visionary founder and chairman of National Public School, so aptly said, the youth of today must be prepared for the global stage. Confident thinkers, learners, and articulate leaders who can shine anywhere in the world. The vision is at the heart of everything you do. Our aim is to help each and every student discover their potential, develop their talents, and gain the skills they need to succeed in any environment. This past year has been an incredible journey of growth and achievements. Our students have excelled in academics, showcased their creativity and talent in all the co-curricular activities, and demonstrated remarkable determination and character. I cannot express how proud I am of every one of them. And none of this would be possible without the tireless efforts of our teachers, whose passion and dedication light the way of our students every single day. As we look to the future, I feel a deep sense of excitement and optimism. The possibilities before us are endless, and I am confident that the students will rise to meet every challenge with courage and determination. Transformation is not just about adapting to change, it's about driving it, and I believe that together we are building a community that will inspire change for the better. Let me conclude with a quote that resonates with the spirit of Parivartan. Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Be the change you wish to see in the world. Be a change you wish to see in the world." This is a powerful reminder that transformation begins with us. Let us continue to nurture the spirit in our children so they can be the change makers of tomorrow. Thank you for being here tonight and for your unwavering support of our school's vision and mission. Here's to a night celebration, inspiration, and unforgettable memories. Dear parents, kindly sit back, wishing you all a wonderful evening ahead and enjoy your children's programs. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, do you feel the excitement building up around us? So do we. The heartbeats have risen and the anticipation is high as we dive into a journey of music, dance, lights, and joy. Tonight's cultural program will showcase Parivartan 2 and promises to be a feast for the senses. The theme showcases the transformative power of change in human society. In today's fast-paced world, we are witnessing rapid parivartan in various aspects of our lives. Personal growth and self-awareness are on the rise, fueled by a focus on mental health, wellness, and self-care. It's about embracing new challenges and cultivating and creating a brighter future for ourselves and the generations to come. Ladies and gentlemen, please encourage these talented students of Montessori to grade 12. Let the celebrations begin. Dance. Dance is one of the most beautiful forms of human expression, a language that speaks to the soul. Dancers are the messengers of the divine, and through their movements, they express emotions that transcends words. We now begin our evening with an invocation dance to seek the blessings of the Almighty and to purify and prepare our space for the evening's festivities.
वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा।
हे गजानन हे गजानन हे गजानन हे
सकल जगाचा तारणहार तू या विश्वाचा पालनहार तू मोदक प्रिय तू मंगलदाता भक्तांची कामना पुरविता महाद्वार या नगरीचा तू महाद्वार या नगरीचा तू दैवत अमुचा विनायका तू दैवत अमुचा विनायका हे गजानन हे गजानन हे गजानन हे गजानन।
हा सुख करता दुःख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची पूर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर शेंदुराची कंठी झळके माल मुक्ता फळाची जय देव जय देव।
तेरा ही नाम पुकारूं मैं साथ तेरा बस चाहूं मैं तू आदि अंत महिमा तेरी हम पर बरसाए रखना मेरी बिगड़ी
बनाना जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय देव जय मंगल मूर्ति दर्शन मात्रे मन कामना पूर्ति जय देव जय देव। देवा हो देवा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः। ओ देवा हो देवा गणेशा लंबोदर गणेशा ओम नम गणपते नमः।
Now, grade 4 explorers dive into the amazing water cycle. As you too unravel the water cycle's mysteries, remember, every drop counts and every step is crucial. The water cycle keeps our planet alive, and now You are a part of its secrets.
Droplet. My friends and I are floating on top of the ocean, and as the days heated up, we heated up. Aha! Wondering? Puzzled? Today, we are taking you through the changes water undergoes.
Right, the water cycle.
Today, let me share the story of water droplets.
A story of water droplets? Well, that sounds interesting.
Yes, it is. I am Varun, a water droplet. My friends and I are floating on top of the ocean, and as the days heated up, we are all evaporating up into the air along with the other water droplets.
Higher and higher into the sky, the air started to cool, and we all eventually became a cloud.
As a cloud, we wandered and hit a mountain.
Smash!
Suddenly, we felt heavier and started to gently float down towards the ground. Flying through the air,
Whoosh!
we hit the ground.
All around us, we saw other water droplets soaking into the ground. We slowed down, thanks to all the tree roots and deep soils of the forest. We came to a rest near the base of a tree and were absorbed beneath the soil.
Vapor goes up from the sea to the sun. Evaporation.
Clouds form in the sky.
Condensation. Rain falls everywhere. Precipitation.
Rivers take water back to the sea.
That's collection. Water goes up and water comes down. The water cycle goes round and round. From the mountain to the stream, to the river, to the sea.
Water goes up and water comes down. The water cycle goes round and round.
From the sea to the sky, to the clouds passing by. Vapor goes up from the sea to the sun. Evaporation.
Clouds form in the sky.
Condensation. Rain falls everywhere. Precipitation.
Rivers take water back to the sea.
That's collection. Water goes up and water comes down. The water cycle goes round and round. From the mountain to the stream, to the river, to the sea.
Water goes up and water comes down. The water cycle goes round and round.
From the sea to the sky, to the clouds passing.
However, we human beings, did we really take care of this precious resource?
Did we really take care of this precious resource? No, we did not.
Let us see the plight. पानी, ओ पानी, कहाँ गए तुम? इतना पानी बरसा, फिर भी छुप गए तुम? यहाँ भी नहीं, वहाँ भी नहीं, कहाँ हो तुम? क्या तुम यहाँ हो या तुम वहाँ हो? अरे कहीं भी तो नहीं, हमने ये क्या कर दिया? पानी यानी अपने जीवन को ही खो दिया, खो दिया, खो दिया।
सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहम सहम पानी, ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे ये कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहाँ थे तुम? नदी रो रही थी तब कहाँ थे तुम? स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी सोचो तो क्यों है आज सहमा सहमा पानी, ये चुपचाप पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे ये कहानी कहानी, बचा दे निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहा थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहा थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी हमको बचानी है ये जिंदगानी। है कब से नाराज गुस्सा गुस्सा पानी, ये क्यों उदास पानी क्यों? चलो बदल दे ये कहानी कहानी, बचा ले निशानी हम। पूछेगी धरती तब कहा थे तुम, नदी रो रही थी तब कहा थे तुम। स्वच्छता और पानी।
I am sure all of you understood that water is scarce and we need to save it. Save water, use bucket, else we will be time's puppet. Turn off the tap, save water in your lap. पानी बचाना है, सबको समझाना है. Conserve the flow, let the future grow.
ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। ये पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। हरे भरे जो पेड़ हो तो अच्छा लगता है, धूप गर्मियों में भी ठंडा लगता है। खुद को बचाना है तो ना करे नादानी, पानी जिंदगानी, ये पानी जिंदगानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी, रखना संभाल के धरती का पानी।
We at National Public School, Singanayakanahalli, are doing our bit. How about you?
Yes, they will, I'm sure.
Yes, this was the story to bring the change in us, to save every drop of water.